Sterling East. Season 4. For the first award, ang ating 3-point team with 4.5 rebounds per game from the Benny Fox, Pierre Tongol. Ito si Pierre, wala? Joe, wala, Joe. Okay, wala si Pierre. Okay, next natin. Scoring champion, averaging 16.4 points per game from Balay Nuovo, Alvin Del Ponzo, number 97. Congrats. Okay, congratulations, Alvin Del Ponzo, our scoring champion for season 4. Averaging 1.6 steals per game from Team Razorhawks, Alex Candelaria. This is Alex. Okay, well, that's Alex. Congratulations. Next award, Rebound King, averaging 8.4 rebounds per game from MPNL Back, Tom Casillas. Go! Congrats, John!
Chris, I'm also the show for once in a
Thank you, John! Next award natin, having an assist, averaging 4.4 assists per game. From Balay Nuovo, Rod Pagualas. Rod. Okay, next award natin. Tapang King from MPNL Fox, Dwayne Castro. Wala si Dwayne, ano? Next natin award. Sige, tawagin natin ulit. Ito natin having the steals. From Team Razorhawks with 1.6 steals per game, Alex Candelaria. Alex, congratulations.
Campbell.
Next award natin, defensive players, defensive pride. From Team Razorhawks, John Attitude. Defensive pride. Okay. Next award natin, defensive pride also. Team Valerio, Alvin Del Pozo. Alvin, congrats, defensive five. Okay, another member for defensive five. From the BNA Box, Dwayne Castro. So, ikaw na nabuha, Joe. Ikaw na nabuha. Okay, next member, fourth member for defensive five. From Team Razor Hawks, Alex Candelaria. And last but not the least, the last defensive five member. From MPLA Fox again, Jojo Diaz. Okay, congrats, Jojo Diaz. Sa ating defensive players of Season 4. With total of 53,000 points for Season 4. Hey, B! Kung matalagaan natin sa nakagawa ng season high record for the OD East for the most number of points with 44 points for season 4. Ayun, well deserved. And good luck sa game for Congrats, Alvin Alfonso, Season 4 MVP.